Katukarai juga kabinet akan nekabisyong akan nekatayo kabaladet nilai rai bangindai mansya ya ka private transport nadu ka kasantrik bakin sedang no tehenrai hadin nilayo ya ka feedback layo ya ki report na ki deputy commissioners baro jong gajela gajoni ka kabinet kalapen kelano ya kan karai bat karai kaba menta ka janit kalong baka private transport ngin nempat siya baka niya hadu banda penting da kumwaipat kini ki private transport ngapa kini ki private transport this private transport which I just mentioned right now is we talking about the urban area. We are talking about the urban area, see like Shillong, like Tura, like Juwai, where the record says we do have maximum registration of private transport. But in the rural areas, means outside the urban area, again, private transport is subjected to the regulation to be made by the respective deputy commissioners and the transport department. Cabinet has given a go-ahead, has given a nod of going ahead. Hakabiyaday